Hello, hello, hello. Happy Saturday afternoon. I know my last video was raggedy. I was showing you how to do different hand stitches. I was tired. I was feeling raggedy, so I should have stopped. But I'm making up for that video. I know I only probably posted it on my YouTube channel. So only my YouTube followers have saw that, I believe. So this is a straight stitch or a running stitch. You can make it as long, as short as you want. See, these are two short stitches. I'm about to make a longer stitch. Longer stitch. And I used to sew like this. Up, down, like this. Up, down. But that's the old archaic way of doing things. I'm going to show you my cheating method. Right now I'm using yarn because it shows up better and it's giving more of a contrast on this blue jean denim. So I'm going to show you the way I cheat when I do a running stitch. If you have a long enough needle, you can do this. Then you can pull the thread through on more than one stitch. Now that's the running or a straight stitch. Now I'm going to pull this yarn out. Cut it and do a zigzag. The way I got the yarn in here is with the threading tool. You can use it the same way as you do normal thread. Zigzag, always start at the bottom so your knot will not show. I hope I can do zigzag. Let me see. With my hand. I haven't hand stitched in a minute. I do some hand stitching when I am making alterations for my clients. But I haven't hand stitched in a while. So you know what zigzag is. Maybe I can make the stitches longer to show you better. Okay, that's working. Long stitch, yeah, a few more, and then you can know what I'm talking about. See? I'm gonna make a couple more. See? That's a zigzag. And then I'm going to show you how to lock stitch by hand. And sometimes stitches are hard, needles are hard to pull through, so you will have to use a thimble to like push the needle through. Like, and your hands are slippery. use this thimble, because you don't want the needle to get under your nail and go through your cuticle. I've had that done to me so many times because I was so hard-headed and I didn't want to use the thimble. I was like, I'm not going to let the needle, I don't know why I'm saying T for D, needle, get the best of me. And I ended up splitting my cuticle. Okay, zigzag. I'm going to make a few more zigzags. Because I'm going to put this on my site so you can have note of it. Now, this other stitch that I'm going to show you will come in handy for the project I'm going to show you how to make by hand. The easiest thing to make to me that's functional is a pillow. And that's my next project I'm going to show you how to make. A pillow by hand. It's not as difficult. It was not take as long as you think if you cheat while you stitch and take shortcuts. Okay, that's straight stitch in a zigzag. Now I'm going to show you how to make a lock stitch. Since this thread is so thick, I'm using the needle threader. And these are delicate. So I've had this part come out a few times. So luckily you can buy a pack for it with 5 or more. Okay. The last time I had it folded because the fray edges were getting caught. Now this is not going to be as easy as threading thread. I think I got it. Nope. I do have a bigger needle, but I wanted to show you with the normal size needle. Okay, I got it. Now that I got the yarn through, I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it through the needle. And this might actually, I was gonna say, actually tear my needle threader, but it didn't. Now, I'm not going to tie the edges because I'm just showing you something. So now this is, I'm going to fold this over and make an overlock stitch. Again, you want to start from the bottom. See how it's locking the edges together so it won't come apart. Over and lock. Over and lock. I don't know where that came from. Just ignore that part. But over and lock. Over and lock. Overlock stitch. Zigzag and straight or running stitch. Now, for my next project, I'm going to show you, you will need, we're going to make pillows. You will need fabric. It's going to be sort of this size. These are travel pillows I make. Polyfill for the filling. Of course, scissors, needle, thimble, and probably a seam ripper. And if you want to put labels on, have your labels ready. And we're going to get to it. After I show you how to make pillows, we're going to make a pouch. Now, I originally made these for little kids going to school so they won't lose their phone, their lunch money, their house key, the label, and they can put it on their wrist so they won't lose it. In a little pocket inside. But you can use this for anything. You can use it for makeup pouch. You can use it for sanitary pads when you go to the bathroom and you don't want everybody knowing your business. Cute little purse, fashionable, zip. And I even have a version for boys so they won't lose their change. And the boys version clips onto the belt. I'll show you after I show you this pillow. So, get some thread, scissors, polyfill, seam ripper, and a thimble if you want to make this. See you later.